Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Koho's safety and security for managing money. Koho is a Canadian fintech company that offers a prepaid, reloadable MasterCard and an integrated app for managing your finances. While Koho is not a bank, it has several security measures in place to protect your money and personal information. First, your money is held in trust with a federally regulated bank, People's Trust. If you opt in to earn interest on your account, up to $100,000 of your funds are eligible for Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, or CDIC, protection. Second, Koho uses industry-leading cybersecurity to protect your account from online threats. This includes firewalls, encryption, and 24/7 security monitoring. Your data is encrypted when it is being transmitted and when it is stored. Third, the Koho app provides additional security features you can control. You can lock your card instantly in the app if it's lost or stolen. The app also uses two-factor authentication and device biometrics like Face ID to secure your account. Finally, Koho's prepaid MasterCard is protected by MasterCard's zero liability protection, which means you are not responsible for unauthorized purchases if your card is lost or stolen. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.